us for giving Thank you, Earth. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. By saying this beautiful quotation, I would like to start my speech. Good morning, all of you. I am respected principal sir, coordinator sir, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, seniors, juniors, and my dear friend. Today is me, Bheemdatt, standing in front of you to deliver my speech, and my topic is global warming. Global warming means the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature. This is mostly caused by human activities such as burning fuel, cutting down trees, and increasing pollution. Trees are very important because they absorb carbon dioxide, but when we cut them down, more applications stay in the atmosphere and trap it. This makes our planet warmer. Global warming is already affecting our world. Global warming is already affecting our world. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and the weather is becoming unpredictable. Some places face extreme heat, while others experience flood and heavy rainfall. If we do not